Hi, my name is Annalisa and I am with Ask the Internet Therapist. And today we're going to be talking about codependence and some specific questions to be asked before deciding to help someone. Helping is a wonderful thing to do, but one should always ask these questions before they decide it's appropriate to help. So the first question you should ask yourself is it a comfortable time within a balanced life to help this person? What I mean by that is this task that someone needs you to do for them going to hinder your plans, or is it going to work in with them? And when it hinders them, then it's probably not a comfortable time for you to do something, and it shouldn't negatively affect your life to do a favor for someone. The second question you should ask yourself is, do you even want to do this favor? And when you look at it, do you want to do it? Are you going to dread it? Is that person going to guilt you into doing something that you really don't want to do? And so make sure you know that you really want to do something for someone before you do it. The third question you should ask yourself is, will it help this person long term or will it help them short term? And by that, I mean, will this task be short gratification, or will it actually impact this person long term? And make sure that this favor that you're going to do for someone is actually going to help them long term and it is beneficial to this person. The next question you should ask yourself is, will the person accept a no graciously or will they retaliate against you? So think of it, if this person needed something done and you tell them you can't do it, how will they react? Will they get mad? Will they retaliate against you? Will they pick a fight with you? You need to pay attention to these things, because a favor should be a favor and not you being guilt-tripped into doing it. So it shouldn't be an argument if you can't do it. It should be a clean slate, and if you say no, the other person should say okay. The next question you should ask yourself is, would they help you in a similar situation? So think of, if you needed that favor done, would that person actually help you in return if you needed it, or would they say no? If they say no, then you should look to see if they are dependent on you, because you're the person that always gives and they're the person that's always taking. The next question you should ask yourself is, does this person really even need the help? Or are they just asking you to ask you because they don't want to do it themselves? The next question you should ask yourself is, will the person accept responsibility for their own life, or will they become dependent on you? So like I said previously, will this be just a favor and you're just helping someone, or will they always rely on you to do this specific task every single time? So for example, say someone needs you to babysit for them. You say yes, that's fine, but the next time they need you to babysit, they're going to ask you again, and if you say no, then they'll get mad because they're dependent on you to always do it. And if they didn't hire you, then they shouldn't be dependent on you for it, and it should just be that one single task that you wanted to help them with. The next thing is helping only a small part of an otherwise equal relationship. So if you're helping them, that's completely fine, but you need to see if this is going to be an equal relationship and that they would help you in return if you needed something. And if they don't, then they are probably codependent on you, because you, again, are giving and they're only taking and not giving it back for you. The last thing you should look at is helping only a tentative action and then reassessing it depending on the person's reaction. So again, this should be just a one-time thing. It should be just a favor, and seeing how that person reacts afterwards. Are they going to thank you? Are they going to not acknowledge the fact that you did something for them and that you actually helped them out? So you need to see how that person reacts after a task and see if they are grateful for what you did for them. So make sure you ask yourself these questions when you are helping someone, because you need to see if someone is codependent on you or not. Thank you.